Hello everyone, welcome to your French class. In today's video, we'll cover the topic les articles contractés. Les articles contractés are always paired with a, which give the sense of in or to or at. Now, if you have watched my earlier videos about the article in definite articles, if you haven't, I'll place the link in the description box. A plus le becomes o. A plus la becomes ala. A plus l apostrophe becomes a le. A plus le becomes o. Now, if you have watched my earlier videos about the definite articles, you have guessed it by now that o is used for masculine singular, a la will be used for feminine singular, a le is used for vowel singular, o is used for plurals. No matter masculine, feminine or vowels. Now, if you look at this carefully, le, la, le apostrophe, these definite articles when combined with the preposition a are giving you the sense of in the or to the or at the. Now, for making things easier, let's go to the exercises. Now, number 1, je donne des cadeaux dash garçon. Now, what is a garçon? It is masculine and singular. So what will you place here? O, which comes as I give the gifts to the boy. Next line, il parle dash jeune fille. Now what is a jeune fille? Jeune fille is feminine and singular. So will be a la. Il parle à la jeune fille. They talk to the young girl. Elle parle dash enfant. What is enfant? It is starting with a vowel and it is singular. So a l apostrophe. Elle parle à le enfant. They talk to the baby or they talk to the child. Nathalie montre sa jupe dash sa amie. Now, what is amie? Sa amie? These are plural. From the s at the end, we can recognize this word is plural. So, o. Nathalie montre sa jupe or sa amie, which means Natalie shows her skirt to the friends or to her friends. La paire dit une histoire dash Jean. Now, what is Jean? Jean is a name. It is a name. So the father tells a story to the Jean or to Jean. So the article contracte which will be used here will be a itself with no other definite article. So le père dit une histoire à Jean. The father told tells a story to Jean, not to the Jean. Nicolas montre des photos dash grand-mère. Now, grand-mère again is a feminine as well as singular. So, a la. Nicolas montre des photos à la grand-mère. That's all for today. If you have any doubts, if you want to ask us anything, any questions are there, all of your questions are welcome, and please email us at understandthefrench@gmail.com. Thank you very much.